Hello guys. uh, Today I'm just building a IoT device which controlled by a website I just built. I used some simple protocols like HTTP for this website, and I used IP address of the microcontroller to build this website. I used Node MCU ESP8266 microcontroller to control the switches. I just used some LEDs to switch the relays like I just demonstrate just fourth, third, second and first. I can control it from anywhere. I just used hotspot for the this project. I don't have to control it from same network or same place. I can control this device from anywhere. Yes, it takes some network. I also gave some extra options, is a temperature sensor and humidity. I can use DHT11 sensor for this, and I also gave it the LDR sensor option because I want to control the switches from light intensity. uh, I'm working on it because I'm just LDR sensor need to set his intensity like minimum to maximum intensity for a better environment light. Then I'm just working. Okay, like I can, it's just a local host problem some, and I can fix this. Okay, off is something my mouse problem. Okay. Okay. I will upload next video after completing my LDR and this delay issue of network. Okay, this delay from network also I can define. Okay, thank you.